this is the only program that honestly without Fit Queen, I wouldn't be having this big smile on my face and being in front of this camera, like talking to you. And before Fit Queen, I was a mess. I had gained a lot of weight, and I guess that had taken a toll on me. I was a couch potato, did not feel like doing anything, did not want to go out, did not want to dress up. I didn't feel attractive, or I didn't feel comfortable in my own body. And I knew it was that. I knew exactly that it was that. It's just in my mind, I just didn't know how to change my mind or change that around. And I just let it go and just kept on continuing, and I was giving up. I was giving up on everything. It was just hard. I joined Fit Queen May, just when this whole lockdown started. Saw this Facebook post and I'm like, okay, what's the harm in trying something like this? And when I joined, I'm like, let's see. I honestly, I was skeptical. I'm like, let me try it. Let me see how it works. I never thought in a million years that I would see the results that I saw it. I've showed everyone my before and after pictures. When I went back to work, everyone's jaw dropped. I see the physical as in I see in my neck, I see my jawline, I see in my arms. Like my arms have never been this thin. I now wear outfits that I wore when I was at my lowest back then. And I'm like, these don't even fit me anymore. Honestly, I couldn't have done it without Fit Queen. I couldn't have done it without your program, your support. Like, it wouldn't have been possible. I think if I didn't meet Fit Queen, I would have been, I started at 194 and now I'm at 145. So almost down to my 50-pound mark, and it's been 5 months. It will be the best decision of your life, for sure. 100% best decision of my life. Not even 100%, actually 1,000% is the best decision in my life.